Making a comeback, the art of bouncing back. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, staging a comeback. This phrase is not just about returning. It's about fighting back into prominence after a period of decline or absence. Whether it's in sports, entertainment, or personal life, staging a comeback represents determination, resilience, and strength. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples to fully grasp its power and inspiration. Staging a comeback refers to the act of returning to a previous state of success or prominence after experiencing a setback or failure. The word, staging, here implies a planned, deliberate effort, almost like putting on a performance. It's not just about coming back. It's about doing so with impact, strategy, and a bit of flair. A true comeback involves several key elements. Overcoming challenges. The focus is on the journey of overcoming obstacles that once pushed someone into a less favorable position. Resilience and determination. These are the fuels that drive the comeback. It's about not giving up, even when the odds are against you. Strategic planning. A successful comeback isn't just about hard work. It's also about smart work. Planning plays a crucial role in navigating the path back to success. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. In sports, an athlete who was injured and missed a season but returns to win a championship the following year is staging a comeback. In the entertainment industry, an artist who hasn't released music for years and then tops the charts with a new album is also staging a comeback. On a personal level, someone overcoming personal difficulties and achieving their goals exemplifies staging a personal comeback. Now that you know what it means, here's how you can use it. After losing the first 3 games, the team is staging a comeback in the finals. She is staging a comeback in her career after taking a break to focus on her family. Staging a comeback is more than just a phrase, it's a testament to human resilience and determination. It reminds us that setbacks are not the end but a part of our journey to success. Whether you're learning English or seeking inspiration, remember that it's always possible to stage your own comeback, no matter the circumstances. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Stay motivated, and see you in the next one.